AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here, but AI needs a lot of space and computing power. So how do you compete without cost spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure needs, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends 12/31/24. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR.
This episode is brought to you by Amazon Prime. There's nothing sweeter than baking cookies during the holidays. With Prime, I get all my ingredients delivered right to my door, fast and free, no last-minute store trips needed. And of course, I blast my favorite holiday playlist on Amazon Music. It's the ultimate soundtrack for creating unforgettable memories. From streaming to shopping, it's on Prime. Visit Amazon.com/Prime to get more out of whatever you're into.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, December 14th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $101,291. ETH is down slightly at $3,870, and XRP down 1% at $2.41. We've covered the prediction markets here on DCR. Do you think you know who will win the presidential election, or how many seats the Democrats or Republicans will win in the House or Senate? Well, there's finally a legal way to bet on the outcome of those elections through Kalshi. Kalshi is the first legal exchange where you can bet on any event, including this year's elections. Kalshi went to court and won legal approval for election betting for the first time in over 100 years. They have markets on who will win the presidential election, on who will control the House and Senate, who will win swing states, and more. Kalshi is already being used by hundreds of thousands of people and is facilitated over $1 billion worth of trades. For example, right now Trump is trading ahead of Harris, and if you take that trade, you'll nearly double your money if he wins on the 5th. Or take the other side and more than double your money. So put your money where your mouth is and sign up at kalshi.com/DCR. The first 500 traders who deposit $100 will get a free $20 credit. That's kalshi.com/DCR.
Hey, aren't you that PBM?
Middleman, at your service, doctor.
Don't you get rebates that save money on medicines?
Oh, PBMs like me get big rebates.
So why do patients tell me they're worried about their costs?
No one says we have to share the savings with patients.
Congress should make sure medicine savings go directly to patients, not middlemen. Visit phrma.org/middlemen to learn more. Paid for by pharma.
Well, Riot Platforms added 5,000 Bitcoin to its holdings for $510 million at an average price of just over $99,000 per Bitcoin, bringing its total to nearly 17,000 Bitcoins. The purchase was funded through convertible senior notes and cash reserves. Riot stock rose 7% to following the announcement. Despite a $154 million Q3 net loss and reduced 2025 hash rate targets, activist investor Starboard Value has taken a stake in Riot, reportedly urging the company to repurpose mining facilities for data centers amid rising AI-driven demand. Well, Justin Sun's BitGlobal is suing Coinbase for delisting WBTC and launching a competing product, CBBTC. BitGlobal, now a key stakeholder in the WBTC ecosystem, claims the delisting is anti-competitive and violates state and federal laws. Coinbase announced the delisting in November, citing listing standards shortly after launching CBBTC, which now has a $2 billion market cap. BitGlobal argues Coinbase's move undermines WBTC, the largest tokenized Bitcoin with a $13.4 billion market cap, despite its growing adoption since BitGlobal joined the project in August. Coinbase defends its decision, emphasizing its commitment to listing standards. Well, MegaLabs, the developer of Mega ETH, raised $10 million in under 3 minutes on Kobe's Echo platform, marking Echo's largest sale to date. Initially targeting $4 million, the round expanded to $10 million due to high demand, attracting 3,200 investors from 94 countries at a 9-figure valuation. MegaLabs, which raised $20 million in June, prioritizes community ownership over insider supply. The funds will support Mega ETH, a real-time blockchain with Ethereum compatibility, currently in private testnet and aiming for public testnet and mainnet launches soon. And finally, Galaxy Digital has appointed Tony Paquette, former CFO of Point72, as its new chief financial officer starting January 1st. Paquette brings over 25 years of experience, including roles at SoFi, JP Morgan Chase, and Bank of America. He replaces Alex Ioffe, who will transition to a senior advisor role. Paquette aims to strengthen Galaxy's finance team and support its global growth. Point72 confirmed Paquette's departure but declined further comment. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
From Academy Award-winning actor Matthew McConaughey's soulful and humorous picture book to New York Times bestselling author Kristen Hanna's The Women, Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books is an author interview podcast unlike any other. In 30 minutes or less, each episode of this chart-topping and Webby Award-winning show dives deep beneath the cover, fostering friendship and camaraderie, support and curiosity, connection and compassion. Hosted by me, Zibby Owens, author, bookstore owner, and head of what the LA Times called the Zibbyverse, Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books has something for everyone, whether you're a mom like me or simply a busy reader. So don't miss out. Follow Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you're listening now. New episodes are released every weekday, bringing books to life.
I did consider Barney a friend, and he's still a friend to this day.
The idea of Barney is something that I want to live up to. You know, I love you, you love me. I call it the purple mantra.
Barney taught me how to be a man.
Generation Barney, a podcast about the media we loved as kids and how it shapes us. Listen wherever you get your podcasts.